Now, summary of arithmetic group of instruction. Total we are having 20 instruction in this arithmetic group. Now, depending upon the addressing mode, first we will filter the instructions. Here only we will see the register addressing mode. Only we will see the register addressing mode. Here you are getting 9 instructions of register addressing mode. Here whenever the letter R is there or whenever the letter RP is there, R stands for register and RP stands for register pair, the addressing mode is said to be register addressing mode, and number of bytes required for all these instruction is 1 byte instruction. Let us summarize all these register addressing mode instructions. Here add R, content of R added to accumulator, result is stored to accumulator. ADCR, content of R along with carry added to accumulator, result is stored to accumulator. SUBR, content of register R subtracted from accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. SBBR, content of register R along with carry flag subtracted from accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. INR R, content of register R gets incremented by 1 and result is stored in the same register. INX RP, content of register pair RP gets incremented by 1 and result is stored in same register pair. Decrement R, content of register R gets decremented by 1 and result is stored in register and result is stored in register here. Next instruction DCX RP, content of register pair RP gets decremented by 1. Content of register pair RP gets decremented by 1. DAD RP, that is content of register pair added to HL register pair and result is stored in HL register pair and result is stored in HL register pair. Whenever R is there or RP is there, the addressing mode is register and here the number of bytes required is equal to 1. Now let's go for the different type of addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. Whenever letter M is there in this group, at that time the addressing mode is said to be register indirect, and for all the instructions here you will get 1 byte instruction. Here you will get LM 1 byte instruction. Whenever letter M is there, it means HL register pair represents the memory location, and from that memory location you have to consider the data. You have to consider the contents of that memory location. Add M, content of memory location added to accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. ADC M, content of memory location along with carry added to accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. Subtract M, content of memory location subtracted from accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. SBBM, content of memory location along with carry subtracted from accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. INR M, content of memory location gets incremented by 1 and decrement DCRM, content of memory location gets decremented by 1. All register indirect addressing mode of instruction is of 1 byte. And now let us move for the next type of the instruction, that is implied or implicit. Only one that is implied type of instruction. Only one instruction is there. Whatever the number present in accumulator in hexadecimal form or binary form gets converted in terms of BCD form and again result is stored in accumulator. Only accumulator is used Therefore, addressing mode is implied addressing mode. Now let us move for the next addressing mode, that is immediate addressing mode. You are having 4 instructions from arithmetic group, and whenever letter I is there from arithmetic group, we have to consider the byte 2 of the instruction, and all the 4 instructions are having 2 byte instruction. In general, whenever the third character of the instruction is I, the addressing mode is immediate. Here ADI, byte 2 of the instruction added to accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. ACI, byte 2 of the instruction along with carry flag added to accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. SUI, byte 2 of the instruction subtracted from accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. SBI, byte 2 of the instruction along with carry subtracted from accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator. In general, we are having 20 instructions in this arithmetic group. All the instructions are with you on your screen and they are summarized. Add R remember one thing, for add type of instructions we are having total 6 add instructions here. 6 add instructions. Which 6 add instructions? Add R, add M, ADI data. And same instruction, add content of register along with carry, add content of memory along with carry, add byte 2 along with carry. Similarly, we are having 6 subtract type of instruction. Subtract R, subtract memory and subtract byte 2. Subtract register along with borrow, subtract memory along with borrow, subtract byte 2 of the instruction along with borrow. And for increment we are having 3 type of instruction. One, increment content of register. Second, increment content of memory. Third, increment content of register pair. Again we are having 3 decrement type instructions. Decrement content of register, decrement content of memory, decrement content of register pair. Next, DAD-RP, content of register pair added to HL, result is stored in HL, and DAA, whatever the number present in accumulator in hexadecimal form gets converted in terms of BCD form.